It's like we've worked for 2 entire decades, developing something that gives each of us the ability and access to express ourselves as individuals.
A massive manhunt is underway for a former Los Angeles cop accused of gunning down several other officers in revenge killings.
Do you consider yourselves under attack?
Well, based on the circumstances of the shooting, yes, I do.
If, in fact, IRS personnel engaged in the kind of practices that have been reported on and were intentionally targeting conservative groups, then that's outrageous. And there's no place for it. And they have to be held fully accountable because the IRS, as an independent agency, requires absolute integrity, and people have to have confidence that they're applying it in a nonpartisan way. You don't want the IRS ever being perceived to be biased and anything less than neutral in terms of how they operate.
People of the United States of America, your Congress is bought. Your Congress is incapable of making legislation on healthcare, banking, trade, or taxes because if they do it, they will lose their political funding and they won't do it.
Out of the bag. Everyone knows this is a corrupt system. It's horribly, horribly corrupt. The Congress is corrupt. Congress is bought and paid for. The president is bought and paid for. Everyone's bought and paid for, and no one's doing anything to stop any hoarding that's going on.
If you go down to the seashore and you pick up a droplet of water in your hand, how can anyone say that that droplet is any more or less special than all the other billions and trillions of droplets you see in the ocean before you?